Hi there, Teacher Hong here, speech path assistant, and today I'm going to be making English muffins, toasted English muffins with butter and jam. So I'm going to first do a demonstration on Proloquo, and as I'm getting ready, I'm going to pause the video. So your student or child might be hungry, so what you can do is go to descriptions, feelings,
hungry,
maybe and go back to home. You can model, say
I
want, then go to foods down here at the bottom and go to more, breakfast,
English muffin,
then go to more,
butter, jam,
and jam. So I want English muffin, butter, and jam. Okay. So next, I'm going to let you know what we'll be needing to get this project started. So first, we're going to need English muffins, toaster, butter, jam, a plate, and some knives. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, so next one, we're going to list the items we will need. You could go oops, actually, teacher mistake, go back to home. You could say I need, then now we go to home, then more, cooking utensils, we'll need toaster, then go back to more, okay, I don't need any of that. So we're going to go back to home, go to food, more, eating utensil. We're going to need dishes, knife, go back to food, to more, breakfast, we'll need
English
muffin, butter,
jam,
and jam. And here are our ingredients. Actually, first we have the toaster, English muffins. You can use any brand you like. I have some butter here and some jam. Unfortunately, I ran out of jam, and this is the only jam I have left. It's a sample here. Okay, and also getting some butter knives. So these are pretty safe, they're not sharp. And I have my plate. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we're gonna take off the muffin. Pull it apart. Now we're putting it in the toaster. Then we're going to turn on the lever. And now we're going to wait. And I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to wait with me. Okay, and just a warning, the toast might be hot. Well, definitely it will be hot. So be careful and don't burn your fingers. We're going to wait. Okay, and there you have, and it looks like the English muffin are finished. So we have to be careful. Feel if it's hot, it's still hot, so we have to wait just a little bit. Just wait. Okay, so it has been a few minutes, so I'm going to take it out. Just a little. There it is, toasted. Going to take my knife, but first let's move this out of the way. I'm going to pause the video. Sorry, I have to adjust the camera angle so you could see what I'm doing. Getting butter. I'm going to spread it on the English muffin. Go all the way to the edge because I do like to have a lot of butter. Maybe not that much, but anyway. Go all the way to the edge. Now I'm going to use my jam. You can use any kind of jam you like. Using my clean knife. Going in. Now I'm going to use the other side of the English muffin and spreading the jam all the way to the edge. And now I'm going to put it together and make a butter and jam English muffin. So I'm gonna taste it. That was good. And I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on expressing what you feel about the muffin that you made. Okay, one moment as I pause. Okay, now we are in the home page. You could go to descriptions, describe, and then go to more. Positive. Oops. Where did taste go? Okay, I forgot where taste goes, so now I'm going to do a search. Go to this 4 square right down here and go to search and type in taste. If you're not really sure where it is. Okay, so taste. So choose any one of these. So taste, describe, more, and taste. Okay. Taste. Describe, more, taste, taste,
Delicious.
delicious. I like it, so I think it tastes
Delicious.
delicious.